worksheet. You can do them in Cengage, but I like to do worksheets in a spreadsheet because it does all the math for you and it saves you a lot of time with a calculator. So I've created a Google sheet here for you for Work Together 6-1 through 6-3, and I've listed all of the accounts that are listed in the problem. So what you're going to do for that, for 6-1, is you're going to start by putting the heading in. And so we're going to click up here, and I've already got these merged and everything set up for you. And the name of this company is Fix It Now. So that's what you type in there on line 1. Second line of the heading is going to be the form that it is. This is a worksheet. And then you're going to have the date. So for month ended, and this one is for April 30th, and just go ahead and put this year in there, 2020. And then since I've already filled all the account names in here for you, we're just going to put the amounts in, and they're listed in the book on page 162. And as you can see, putting them in on a worksheet makes it a lot easier for you. There's nothing in income summary because we haven't used that account yet. So you're going to skip down there to sales. Make sure you're filling them in the correct column for debit and credit. And that you're skipping lines where necessary. And then once you have them in there, you're going to come down here to the row C24 where it says net income. And you're going to put a formula in there. So we're going to come up here to our toolbar where it says functions. Click on that arrow and do sum. And then you're going to drag through the column from C22 up to C7 and hit enter. And then click back on that and put your mouse over the little blue square in the bottom right-hand corner till you get the black plus and click and drag over. And that will copy that formula over, and those should equal. If they don't equal, then you've filled the number in incorrectly. And so when we learned this, we talked about doing the line to show that there was math. So we're going to come up here and select through C and D 22. And up here where you have your borders, click on that, and we're going to make it a little bit thicker border there. And I'm going to put it at a bottom border. And then that shows that line there to show that we're doing math. Then I'm going to select my two totals. I'm going to go back up to that borders again. And this time under border style, I'm going to choose the 2 lines and put that bottom border on there because those 2 lines show that we've verified that those equal. And that's all you do for 6-1 Work Together.